Hello? Why are we going the wrong way, hon?
I'm sorry. I went out with my friends and I won't lie, I was drinking.
Yeah, you're lucky you didn't get head on with someone there.
No.
You have an ID on you, huh?
I'm not sure if I have it in here because I just switched my insurance.
Okay.
Are you able to look it up? Because I have insurance.
Okay. I don't doubt you. You mind hanging out? I'm going to see if I'm going to try. I'm supposed to get off in like an hour or something, see if someone else will take this. Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
Did he already get all your info and stuff?
Yeah, he took my ID.
Oh, I gotcha.
I don't really ever go out. It's like the one time I went out.
I gotcha.
I won't lie, I did have a couple drinks. I'm not really familiar with the roads.
I gotcha.
So they asked me if I needed help getting home, and I was like, no, I'm okay.
I got you. Just meet some friends up there?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have anybody else with you? The windows are dark. Is it just you?
No, it's just me.
Okay. That's okay. Seems like you know what you're doing was wrong.
For sure, and I'm sorry. That's
Do you not have the Uber app?
No, I don't.
No. Well, I think it's fine time to get it, okay? I gotta go through the steps, okay?
No, you're fine.
I'm guessing you probably don't feel like you're good to drive, but I have to check.
Yeah, no, whatever you need to do, I'll do it.
Okay. No, I appreciate it. And to be honest, the more property you are, the quicker it is, okay? And the quicker we'll get this all taken care of. So, first thing I'll have you do, just stand on that big anywhere over there and just face me. Can you put your feet together, heel toe to toe, with your arms down your side for me? Thank you. Can you see the very tip of my finger? You're going to just follow the very tip of my finger as it goes back and forth in front of your face, okay? Just keep your head straight ahead for me, okay? Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay. Yep, just with your eyes. Ready? Just with your eyes, okay? Keep your head straight for me, okay? A little over halfway down, okay? This last couple is going to go straight up, okay? Scroll up and keep your eyes up there if you can. One more time. Alright. Just because people drive crazy. Here, we're going to step up on this sidewalk, okay? Yeah, what's the curb? And a little bit. You stand there, face me, okay? It's very important with this test. Don't do anything until I tell you to, so just do what I tell you to when you tell you to, and go from there, okay? Are you going to stay out here when you put the test? You have a cage too, don't you? I might end up canceling the draft unit. First thing I need you to do is just imagine a straight line going from the tip of your left toe to the tip of my right toe and on indefinitely, okay? Can you imagine that straight line?
Yeah.
The first thing I need you to do is just put your left foot on that line for me, and then put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe, just like this. Can you go ahead and get in this position for me? And keep your arms down your side for me, okay? When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel toe steps down that line, okay? When you get your 9th step, you're going to turn in a manner I'm going to show you in a second, and return 9 heel toe steps where you began, okay? 9. And I'll demonstrate it for you too, okay? A couple things to remember while you're doing this test. You need to look at your feet, count each step out loud, and keep your arms down your side. And don't stop the test until you complete the test, okay? Okay, let me go ahead and show you what I mean. I got to demonstrate it for you so it's fair, right? So where you are, okay? You're going to go 1, 2, 3, where I did 3 steps because I ran out of space. You're going to do 9 steps, okay? When you get to your 9th step, you're going to leave your front foot on the line, turn to the left, taking a series of small steps, and return 9 heel toe steps. 1, 2, 3. Again, where I did 3 steps, you'll do 9 steps, okay? Just to reiterate, look at your feet as you complete the test. Count each step out loud. Keep your arms down your side, okay? And don't stop the test until you complete the test. Okay? Is there any reason you can't complete the test I've described it to you?
No.
Okay. You can begin when you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can relax and turn and face me. Just got one more for you, okay? Again, just like the other one, stand there heel to heel, toe to toe with your hands down your side for me, okay? Again, don't do anything until I tell you to. Make sense? When I tell you to begin, you're going to lift one foot, whichever foot you want, okay? You're going to lift that foot off the ground approximately 6 inches with the bottom of your foot parallel with the ground. Sounds weird. I'm going to demonstrate it for you so you see what I mean. While you have that foot elevated, you're going to look at your elevated foot, count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, so on until I tell you stop. Not trying to mess with you. It's 30 seconds, okay? While you're doing that, count out loud, look at your elevated foot, and keep your arms down your side, okay? That all make sense so far? No. Again, I'll... Does this work for people who haven't drank too? Because
absolutely.
I don't have good balance. Either way.
Either way, well, I will note that, okay? But I think that there's something else that's causing you not to have great balance this evening. So, again, here I am where you are, right?
Yes.
See how my foot's off the ground? Both my legs straight? That's exactly how I want yours. Count out loud.
30 seconds?
Well, count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop, okay? Where I was looking at you, you'll be looking at your foot. Count out loud just like I told you. Keep your arms down your side. Okay? Do you have any questions?
No.
Is there any reason you can't complete the test? You have time. When this officer here tells you to begin, you can begin, okay?
You can go whenever you're ready.
Okay. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
You can stop.
Did you bring your PBT with you? I believe you are too impaired to safely operate a vehicle, okay? Just confirm what I'm seeing. Have you provide a sample if you want into this preliminary breath test record just to see where you're sitting at.
That's fine.
All right. Like I said, you've been completely cooperative with me, so you know, it just makes everything quicker and a lot easier so we can get through this process.
Just blowing a balloon. Just wrap this around the white straw.
Like an infinite balloon that never fills up. Just blow long and hard until it tells you to stop. Keep going. Keep going, 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 keep going. Perfect.
140.
Okay.
What was it?
140.
Like I said, when I stopped you, I'm just glad you didn't go head on with anyone because
I don't drive in Springfield very often. And I already have anxiety driving, so.
Are you down paper? Are you down paper? I just need someone to transport. I'll do the breath and all that stuff.
Like a 2, right? Get off a 2?
Me? Yeah, about then, but
I'll give her a ride.
But here's the deal. You are under arrest for driving while intoxicated. However, it's a 4-hour hold. There's no bond to get out. So the time right now, you'll be out in 4 hours as long as you're cooperative and all that stuff. You'll
be up when
why are you drinking this late then? Oh, you're young. You can do that stuff, right? But here's the deal. 4 hours from now, you'll be released. Would you like me to tow your vehicle, or would you like me to legally park it over here for you so it doesn't have to be towed?
Okay.
Do you have anything in there? I need to grab a cell phone, purse, anything like that.
I have my cards in my shoes.
You have your cards in your shoes. Okay.
I do, yes.
And I have your ID somewhere. So
where am I going?
we're going to go to Greene County Jail, or one of these officers are going to transport you up there. I'm going to meet you up there.
We got to do the whole process up there. Out here is not a very controlled environment.
So
am I able to make a phone call?
Before we get through the process, you can call whoever you want, let them know that, hey, I need to be picked up in 4 hours from now, okay? And we'll give you that time and all that stuff.
Is there any way I could get out from the 4 hours?
Most states keep you there for 24 hours.
Yeah, if I could, I would. I'm not trying. If my boss didn't say I didn't have to, or
I just want to get home.
Yep.
And then
you'll be out before it's time to work, okay, hon? But I do have to put handcuffs on you, even though I know you ain't gonna do anything crazy. So I need you to go ahead and turn around, put your hands behind your back for me. You don't use yours. Mine are rusty. I don't use them much. There you go, perfect. Oh, that's fresh ink. Still scabbed over.
Oh man.
Is it super itchy? Double lock these so I don't tighten up on you, okay? These are fancy ones. There we go. These are fancy ones. Yeah. They're backwards. There you go. Perfect. I haven't shaken her down. Besides which, you don't have really any way to hide anything. You got your cards in your shoe and that's it? Nothing else?
I think my phone is in there still.
Okay, I'll grab your phone. Is that all you need out of your car, and your keys, obviously?
My keys, yeah.
Okay. I'm going to park that. So give me a minute. Go with Officer Sweet, and I'll be right with you. 492.
492.
Sorry, I'm cold.
I know, that's why I'm going to get you out of this ring, alright? I'm going to stay on this side, alright? Up there, let me just make sure there's nothing in there, okay? Alright, you're good. Where'd he go?
He's parked in our car.
Oh, man, he stumbles over these all the time.
He just about hit me head on.
Oh, is that why you were right there?
He pulled it out as I was merging to go northbound. And, I mean, we were probably, 100 yards on being dramatic. But I was in the outside lane.
100 yards closes quick.
Yeah. I was in the outside lane. She was in the inside lane. And she put her blinker on and changed lanes. And I hit my lights. And she started to slow down. And then he caught up to her. 140.
Which, I don't know if she's going up or down.
Right.
But that's not an evidentiary. That's usually just in the area. Mm-hmm. So we'll go to jail and get a more solid sample on an instrument that we maintain. It has been a rough day for me today.
Really?
I started at noon.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Covered for the 5 points?
Self-inflicted, but yeah. Be alright. These your brights? These lights? No, you're good. I was just kind of zoning out looking at the red and blues. So your 4 hours has already started, okay? So you'll be out in enough time to go to work. 5:15. It's nasty out there. This portion of it won't cost you anything. Now, if you want to go to court on it, and you get a lawyer and everything, that's where it starts costing you a lot. Right now, is this your first one ever? Right now, it's just a ticket. You'll get a ticket for driving while intoxicated and stuff like that. if you provide a breath sample. If you don't and we have to go blood, then it has to go to the state court. So it's just the way they have it. I know. MSU?
Alright, I will flip around and I will follow you up.
Alright, buddy. I know, right?
534.
They transporting one female from this location to Greene County. You are probably one of the most impressive canine officers I've ever met. I was getting there, I was like, I know he's already doing his fields and everything. I'm not even worried about it.
Well, so it depended on who was going to come. When I heard you,
It's okay.
And watch yourself there. Just follow me on in here. I'm back, but he didn't answer.
were you going to do that?
I can do whatever you want, but
I got paper. I can do that.
I don't have any paper. If you want me to do the intox while you do the booking and everything, I can do that. The only thing is, you know all the information on the AIR. I'll fill out what I can.
And I'm going to take those cuffs off as soon as I can, but it's going to be a few minutes. Okay? It'll just be clean if I do it all. So if you want to do the, if you want to start typing up with me.
She's probably got her license in her foot.
Nope, I got it.
Oh.
For me. Do you have anything in your mouth? Any foreign objects? Chewing tobacco, anything like that? Do you mind if I see you real quick and you open your mouth for me? Just the stud? Okay.
Take this in there, start real quick while you're doing the...
Yep.
Sorry, because I'm cold.
It is freaking... I'm like a drowned rat like now, and I'm freezing too. First time was 111. And it looks like this is the first time you've ever even been stopped, probably?
Here, yes.
Okay. Well, here's the deal. Everyone freaks out because they hear the word DWI and they think it's the end of the world, okay? Let me explain something to you, okay? DWI in the state of Missouri is a Class B misdemeanor, okay? Littering is a Class A misdemeanor. So, by the statutes, littering is actually worse than DWI. So, it's not the end of the world, anything like that. You'll have...
I think I'm more concerned about how much it's going to cost.
I don't blame that. Were you operating the vehicle at the time that I stopped you?
Yes, sir.
Have you been drinking?
Yes, sir.
If yes, what were you drinking?
Beer.
What time did you start drinking?
Did I start? 9 or 10, I'm not sure. I didn't look at my phone.
That's fine. What time did you stop drinking?
Maybe like 11 or 12.
How much did you drink?
3 beers. I'm also lightweight.
Earlier when I stopped, you said you also had some shots too. Did you take a couple shots?
I did. I had like the 1 or 2 shots.
Okay. And where were you drinking at?
Boogie? Downtown.
Are you under the influence of an alcoholic beverage?
You would say so.
What would you think? It's your. What do you think?
I don't feel like I'm that drunk,
Okay.
but obviously I was drunk enough for you to arrest me, so yes.
Have you used marijuana or any other drug or illegal in the last 72 hours?
No, sir.
Do you have any temporary or long-term physical or mental conditions? Are you taking any tranquilizers, pills, medicines, injections, or drugs of any kind such as insulin?
I take meds, but...
Nothing like that. Any of those? Okay, right. And that almost goes up to the right time.
Yes.
Like you did on the scene, I need to take one good long deep breath, just blow long and hard until I tell you to stop, okay? Just so you know, I'm not messing with you. I'm not trying to make you pass out. There's 2 bars that go across the screen, okay? One goes by really, really quick. The other one goes by slow. I need that slow one to go across 2 complete times. And then when it clicks, I'll tell you to stop, and we'll sit down and we'll take those bracelets off. Okay? Nope, not yet. I got to plug all this stuff in. I was just going ahead and explaining it to you. And this instrument will also tell me if you're messing with it. I don't think you will. Some of these people who come in here, they huff and puff. They just hold their mouth on, don't blow, something like that. It tells me if you're doing that. So, like I said, just on, like you were on scene, take a good deep long breath, blowing up an infinite balloon. Okay? Getting tired?
Yeah.
Me too.
Okay. Sorry you guys have to deal with this.
Like I said,
Waste of time.
I'd rather deal with this than you going head on with someone.
For sure.
Especially down Kansas Expressway. That would have not ended well. Okay, no. It's almost there. Like I said, when I have you stand up, you're just going to seal your lips around this part right here, so don't try to inhale the whole thing, just right there. And just take that long deep breath till I tell you to stop. Okay? That.
Just let me know when.
Yeah. I'm waiting on this silly thing. It's kind of slow. Go ahead and stand up. And step over here. And like I said, just take a good deep breath and blow it long and hard till I tell you to stop, okay? Blow harder, harder, harder. That's got to go around 2 complete times. Harder, 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 harder. Okay. There you go.
Trying.
Like I said, I'm not trying to make you pass out. Go ahead and step out here and I'll take those bracelets off you. before you call anyone, we're going to have to take all the jewelry off your hands, just because we have to inventory everything you got on you that's of value, okay? We'll also have... This thing being silly. Is there a trick to your cuffs? Because I think I just got my cuff key stuck in there. Well, I can't get it out. Maybe forever.
Let me take this one off first.
Alright, I'll just leave that one right there. I put the key in and I turned it, sweet. That's all I did. Promise. Because he's got these high-fluting cuffs.
I'm going to ask him about how many piercings do you have? Just the nose and the tongue?
I have a few in my ears, but I'm not sure I'm able to take.
Here you go.
Thanks, sir.
Tongue, ears. She's already about an hour into it. Some of them she can't. You don't want her to look stylish in the picture?
I need to try to get my tongue in there.
I
can try.
And then after you get before you do that, because you probably don't want to touch your shoes and then your nose, go ahead and take those out and then grab your stuff out of your shoes and throw them up there too, okay? 160 on the dot.
So if you want to just, this one's over here.
Okay, yeah.
Just finish your 2683.
I'll knock that out and then
Does all my jewelry go in a bag, or?
We'll put it in a bag for it, yeah. Yeah, if you just want to put it all together, we'll make sure it all gets in the same bag.
Nose ring is kind of hard to get out without seeing it. Is there a mirror that I can look at?
Don't really have mirrors.
My phone?
Can you use your phone to look at it like that? Just don't call out again just yet. Use your selfie to look at yourself.
It's the 14.
That worked.
Sweet. He's so smart, isn't he?
Won't use that until I'm allowed.
Yep. So I'll have to have you sign a few things and then we'll knock out the rest of it.
What's going on?
Yep. Here's the deal. You will be out of here at 5 o'clock in the morning. I know you got to get to work at 6, so it might be pushing it. Or you might call in. Might tell them you're feeling a little under the weather, but it's not the Rona. So.
Hey, tell them for money. You can do.
I would, but...
They probably made you get vaccinated there, though, didn't they?
I've already had to get the vaccine. But they're very understaffed.
Will you pull the stuff out of your shoes?
Yes.
And check your pockets. Make sure nothing else is in your pockets.
Did I give you my ID and all that already?
I do have your ID.
Yeah, there's nothing else in my shoes. Do you want me
Okay. No, you said you thought you had stuff in your shoes. You said you.
Well, I don't have your debit card.
I don't have pockets. You don't have my debit card?
So it's probably still, you probably left it in your car then.
I hope so.
I don't think so.
First thing I'm gonna have you sign. You actually get this, so you're just signing that I'm giving this to you. It's just the receipt I'm giving.
Okay.
This explains what happens to your driver's license with a DWI. Okay, with the first time, your driver's license is suspended for only 15 days. This is gonna be your driver's license for the next 15 days. It doesn't start for 15 days because it tells you how you can get a hardship for going to work and all that stuff. Okay, but you'll have this. You can peruse it later after you get out of here. I'm gonna put it in with your property. Okay, so you'll just sign by that X for me, right by that dot. And then if you, because I don't want to touch your tongue ring and all that stuff because I'm a germaphobe like that, if you'll pick that up and just take it over in front of Officer Sweet on this side of the table, on the left side of the table, you'll be able to add that. Does everyone have a e-ticket? Yeah.
What do you have there? Nose ring?
A nose ring, a tongue ring, and I have like 4 rings.
Are you on this one? Yeah.
4. Right. Okay.
What secret?
And